Hello everyone. Today we will see how to download files from pikpak-plus. So for this we have some requirements. First of all, we need a pikpak-plus account and also we need Navi downloader. Go to the GitHub website, scroll down a bit and click on this downloads. And from here you can download this APK. So once it downloaded, install the APK and now go to pikpak-plus website. Log in with your credentials. Once you log into your pikpak-plus account, go to folders and if you have content it's okay, else go to search and try to find some content. Since I have content, I will directly show how to download. I will select this movie and copy the download link. Now we can go to Navi downloader, click on this plus icon, paste the link and again go to website. Now copy file name, paste it here and click on add. You can see the download was started. Once the download completed, you can play the video. That's all for this tutorial. Thank you everyone.